In this video, we will learn how to create invoice in Excel sheet by using the invoice template in Excel. So let's start this Excel sheet. Click on the File tab and here you found some templates. To see the more template, just click on the More Templates option and search here the invoice. I just enter here the invoice. Okay, and here all searching the invoice template. Here have a number of invoice template, you can use it. There are simple and clear invoice template available in Excel. You don't need to create new invoice in your Excel by using the formatting different way. It's inbuilt templates available in Excel. You can use it easily. So I select this the simple invoice that and click on the create, and here you see the invoice is ready. Enter here your company name, company address, bill to, customer name and customer address, description of the product, amount, and the amount of total amount of your product. In this invoice not have any tax calculation and not have any taxable amount, distribution of the taxable amount and total amount. But if you want that type, so you can go again the more templates and click on the invoice. Just enter the invoice again and search here the invoice with the tax calculations. So here have some invoice with the tax calculation, the service invoice with the tax calculation. So just click on it and just click on the create, and that's it. Here you see the invoice is a proper subtotal and tax rate also you can mention here, and sales tax and others expense also you can add here with the total amount. Okay, and description, hours, rate you can change here your quantity and unit also, and other details mention the your company and customer and invoice number, date, everything's. So here the some templates available of invoices is so clear and simple, you can use it easily. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.